Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a fettuccine and feta pie. This recipe is inspired by a recent trip to Greece with my father-in-law, Jesse. Hi, Jesse. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Do us a cute favor, smooshie that like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you guys did not know, we do have a Outdoor Cooking with Edie book available now on Amazon. Go check it out. I'm ready to make this fettuccine and feta pie. Stu's ready to eat it. Let's get cooking.